What I want to show you today is how to use sessions in testRTC, and for that we will go to the Jitsi sample script. Jitsi Video Bridge is a framework that enables building multi-party video conferencing services, so more than two people can join a room and make a conversation in that room. What we are going to start with is using 6 browsers spread into 2 rooms. So we're going to have 3 people in each one of these rooms. The way to do that with testRTC is to use these 2 parameters. The first one is the concurrent users. That's where we'll state that we want to use 6 different browsers for this scenario. And in the run options, the hashtag session3 indicates that in each session we want to have 3 browsers. So 6 browsers split across 2 rooms with three browsers in each session. If we look at the script itself, we will see that what we're actually doing is we're taking a parameter that testRTC creates called RTC session name, and we're going to use it to get the session ID and to build our URL for the room, https meetjitsi testRTC demo 1 or 2. These are the 2 rooms that we're going to have. The room URL is going to be used in the URL command in Nightwatch to join that specific room, and the rest is just detail in this specific test. So let's go and run the test. So now the test is running. We can see that it is split into 2 groups of 3 sessions of 3 browsers in the same session. This is session 1, these 3 browsers, and this is session 2. In each session, each agent has its own internal index, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Let's fast forward to the results to see what happened. The test is now completing. We can see all of the agents uploading the results to the testRTC cloud, and these results are going to be analyzed once they are available. Okay. Now that we're done, we can see the 6 agents that comprise the result. If you go, for example, to the first one, the first agent is the one running the first browser in the first call. And if we look at the screenshot that we took in this call, what we can see is that we have 3 windows here for each of the 3 browsers that joined this specific session, and the URL is meetjitsi testRTC demo 1. If we go to one of the other sessions, let's go to the 5th browser. This one was the second browser in the second session. We will go to the media just to look at the screenshot. And what we see here is again 3 other users in this call, and they went to the URL meetjitsi testRTC demo 2. We can do the same thing now with the same script. We're not going to change the script, we're just going to change these parameters. Let's say I want now, instead of 6, we can change it into 8 and have 4 users per session. Let's do 12. So now what we're trying to achieve is 3 different rooms with 4 users in each room. And let's run the test. Again, we see the allocation of the browsers. We've got 3 sessions now, and in each session, 4 different browsers. Fast forward, and let's see what we've got in the results. Now that our test completed, let's go, for example, to the 3rd browser in the 3rd session. That would be browser number 9. And let's look at the media. What we see here is that now we have 4 browsers in this session, okay, in the screenshot, and this is testRTC demo 3 URL. One more thing that you can see with Jitsi is that we've got 4 incoming video channels and 4 incoming audio channels from the different browsers. One is not used. This is reserved by Jitsi for screen sharing if and when that occurs. Thank you.